Hey guys, welcome to this new series on React. In this series, we will learn reactjs from the beginner's point of view. First, what is a React? React is a JavaScript library mainly focuses on component-based application development. Now, what is meant by that component? A component is a small piece in a tree of UI. A component is a mixture of HTML and JavaScript that captures the logic required to display a small section of the larger UI. Each of these components can be built up successively as a complex part of an app. From a React point of view, everything you see in the browser can be taken as a component. The biggest advantage of this approach is you no need to repeat yourself writing the same logic, but you can reuse a component by changing the state of it. React is declarative. React makes it painless to create interactive UIs. Design simple views for each state in your application, and React will efficiently update and render just the right components. React comes with a tagline, learn once and write anywhere, which means you can use the same React concepts by using the React Native library. You can write applications for iOS and Android devices. In the next episode, we will see about how to do the environment setup for developing a React.js application.